umbrella, right? We use this umbrella. Go like this. Big ones. This one, small one, but get a peg or whatever, peel or, and this is how we go. And when you got the big one, cover all your bag.
Oh yeah? Nice. So 4 hours in, making steady progress up Mount Balbi. Definitely feeling the burn in the calves and the thighs. But luckily it's a nice cool day. Nice and misty, bit of rain. Makes it a bit slippery, but it's so much cooler than it could be. But yeah, incredible walk. Reminds me of hiking in New Zealand. So many ferns, so lush. But it's kind of hard to look at the scenery when you kind of have to watch where your feet are going. So yeah, slowly but surely, heading up. The last hour or so has been a lot of climbing. Hey, camp. Camp 2. So 2 hours to the crater lake, yeah?
Yeah, now we got the second wind.
You have masluk?
Yes, we have muscle. Rosemary.
Strong fly, huh?
I've set world record, the slowest east walk of Balbi.
That mountain we call a sarau. Sarau means clans meet in that mountain. Clans from Keriaka, Kunwa, and Rotokas. So that's how we call that mountain. Let's go. As you can see, this is the summit of Mount Balbi, the highest peak of mountain of Bougainville. This is Wakunai and Kunwa that side, Buka, and back of you is West Coast, Kiriaka, Trokina, Chata, Arawabuin.
So high. Don't get down there.
Congratulations to you.
You can wait over here.
Oh yes. And you come.
Thank you, strap.
Who will I put that?
Okay.
Yeah.
But,
this is what we do when we come back from the mountain, and people will ask, "Were you coming back from?" So we are very tired to repeat the same story.
True.
I'm back from Mount Balbi, and then another guy will come. Well, so this will tell them, oh, when they see this, we call it the Tatareko, they will say that, oh, he's back from the mountain.
yeah.
Tatareko.
Okay.
Tatareko,
Tatareko.
yes.
You got to
And it's a special one. It's white, eh?
Yeah.
Otherwise, some are green, but
Yeah,
it's very
yeah.
special, which only we use for that medicines. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. Congratulations.
Hey, thank you.
People.
Thank
Morning. And we made it.